Arjun. This is my newest video in 2022. Now, hello, I'm Arjun, and this is my next ball. Oh, come on, there's. I'm gonna show you the Pokemon inside by building it. First you start with the head. Yeah. And next you put it on the eyes. Next you put the back of the head on, like this. It's kind of confusing. It's only like this here. And then where is supposed to go? This. Other one. Where's the other one? Yeah. The other one. Now this one. Snap it here. Head is the back of the head. This is the eyes. This is the newest video, 2020. And this is the back of the head. This and at the top, you have to add the leaves. Oh boy, leaves. And now this is the body. Yeah. Oh wait, I forgot the lower part of the head. Just the lower part of the head. The chin. Don't worry, I stuck sand in there. It's not actually red. And this was the last turn. This is the cell. Oh wait. This is the tail. The cell in the tail. Weird. Now these are the legs or arms, whatever you call it. These are paws. And these are the, you know how ugly this looks from the side? So that's why it's rounded off. And the next step, I didn't want to place it on the Pokeball on top of like this. Now, that was built on Tirtouga.